Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Let's make super easy 3D Christmas stars. Hi guys, to get started with your Christmas star, you're going to need 5 sheets of paper. All of these sheets measure 6 inches by 6 inches, and I'm going to show you how to fold each sheet. Turn your sheet over, fold it in half, diagonally only. Open, and then fold this piece into here like so. And you're going to meet this piece to the other side. Then you're going to fold this part up. And you fold these two pieces to meet this point here. Your paper should look like this. Grab yourself some glue. You're going to open both of these pieces. You're going to add some glue here and here. And you can add some glue here and here. You're going to pull this open and line it up and make it look like this. You're going to need to make 5 of these, just like so. We're going to add glue here. And join these two. And we're going to repeat that process. So we're adding glue here. Add glue to the back of this, and then open it and join it with this one.